In a small village, there lived a kind-hearted boy named Ahmed. He eagerly awaited Ramzan each year, not just for the delicious iftar meals but for the spiritual lessons it brought. One Ramzan, Ahmed's mother reminded him, fasting is not just about staying hungry. It's about patience, kindness, and helping others. Determined to understand this, Ahmed observed his fast sincerely and spent time reading the Quran. One afternoon, while walking home, he saw an old man sitting under a tree, looking weak and hungry. Ahmed remembered his mother's words and shared his iftar meal with him. The man's eyes filled with gratitude, and he blessed Ahmed, saying, "Ramzan teaches us to care for one another. Today, you have truly understood its meaning." That night, as Ahmed prayed, he felt a deep sense of peace. He realized that the true importance of Ramzan was not just in fasting but in becoming a better person, more patient, kind, and generous. From that day on, Ahmed carried the spirit of Ramzan in his heart, not just during the holy month but throughout the year.